Securing the above. A user's guide to repairing attic doors. My attic door with ladder won't shut completely. I found a couple of discussion forums where the suggestion was to adjust springs. But I don't know exactly how to do that. Can someone explain? Question from user 2716454 at stackexchange.com. Answer. Be careful with those springs. I got stitches in my head watching my brother monkey with an attic door just like that one. The bar went flying upward and cracked me right in the side of my head. The springs are deined and attached by the door manufacturer and should be perfectly fine and able to hold the door shut. The door is rubbing against something. Go into the attic with a good flashlight and examine everything over and over until you find what is hitting where. It could be a combination of things. It could be the door itself is rubbing the opening. It could be the arms or the springs touching the door. It doesn't take much to keep a cheap attic door from staying all the way shut, but once you get everything straight, the arms not bent, the opening aligned properly with the door, then it should stay shut. This is a door like any other door. Time and moisture warps and moves things. But unlike a typical wooden door, you cannot shave the door to stop it from rubbing. That's why I mentioned adjusting the hole if needed. The door attaches on the one back. You can insert a shim on one side or the other. That is another thing. The hinge side of the door could be twisted a little downward. If it is, then the door will not shut all the way. The door cannot go past 90 degrees against the hinge. You can use screws to suck in the top of the framing member that the door is attached to. Answer. Inspect and adjust, but leave the springs attached to the door. Answer from user Paul at stackexchange.com.